My name is Frank Lang, and I've been in the laundry business since 1991. After visiting with a few customers of Teeter's products, I became convinced that Marietta, Ohio was in need of not just a nice local store, but a laundry so awesome that it would become regional. To accomplish this, I would need to create a next-level experience. I carefully examined all the major laundry equipment manufacturers and distributors. I decided to trust my 28-year relationship with Teeter's products, and I purchased Electrolux for 4 main reasons. The first reason was performance. Electrolux equipment delivers incredible performance to my customers. Many are able to get in and out of the store in as little as 40 minutes. The second reason is efficiency. Teeter's product took time to show me many of their retools where they removed almost new 200G hard mount washers and replaced them with Electrolux 450G washers. This technology has an incredible impact on my utilities and my overall profitability. The third reason is customer-friendly features. I love giving my customers extra value, and the extra revenue it generates is real money. The fourth reason was technology. I wanted to be certain that after making a huge investment, that someone else was not going to be able to come into town and beat me with performance and efficiency. After visiting the factory in Ljungby, Sweden, I was certain that Electrolux equipment would give me the competitive advantage I was looking for. The customer reception has been amazing. I know this sounds crazy, but I had a semi-truck driver share with me the other day, and she drove 100 miles just to do her laundry. I fully expect the equipment to save my customers time, but I totally underestimated how much they would appreciate the quality difference of this equipment. I get regular reports that these washers get out stains that other washers would not. This laundry is changing this community for the better. We're providing clean clothes and saving people time. I'm so glad I decided to partner with Teeter's products and Electrolux to create a next level laundry.